said that in between tall plant and short plant, cross pollination when happens, all the plants will be tall plants in F1 generation. But in every plant, small character also, short character also there. But only tall is the dominant character. Because of that, this plant grows to tall. So that in all the plants also, small character also there, but tall is the dominant than the small. So that all plant grows to tall only. So this in this way also. So tall plant, capital T, capital T. Short plant, small t, small t. So tall plant, capital T, short plant, small t, when combines capital T, small t formed, means tall plant is formed. This is also capital T, small t, when combines capital T, small t, means tall plant only formed. This also tall plants. So in F1 generation, all the plants are to be tall plants only. Now F1 generation plant, capital T, small t. If this plant is self-pollinated, what happens? Now we are going to see that one. This T, capital T, this capital T, both when combines, capital T means tall plant is generated. If this capital T combines with this small t, capital T, small t is formed. If this small t combines with this capital T, capital T, small t formed. If this small t combines with this small t, small t is formed. Okay, now see, this is a pure tall plant, capital T. This small t, pure short plant. Now, capital T, small t, these two are also tall plants, but these are said to be hybrid plants, hybrid tall plants. So totally when we observe, these three are tall plants. This is pure tall plant, this is also tall plant, this is also tall plant. Total 3 tall plants are producing, only 1 short plant is producing. So that this ratio, 3:1 ratio. So 3 are tall plants, 1 is only short plant. So this ratio when we taken, the ratio is said to be 3:1 ratio, that one. This 3:1 ratio is also called phenotype ratio. Phenotype. It's also called phenotype ratio. Then these plants, those are producing, these are called F2 generation plants. F2 generation. Okay, see this pure tall plant, pure short plant, these two are hybrid tall plants. When we observe this ratio, pure tall plant 1, pure short plant 1, hybrid tall plants 2. So this ratio 1:2:1. This ratio is called genotype ratio. Genotype. Is called genotype ratio. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ ఇవ్వండి. అలాగే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయని వాళ్ళు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి ప్లీజ్.